I will guide you to make a Flappy Bird game using ChatGPT. You will write the command how to make Flappy Bird game using Unity for ChatGPT. You need to prepare the assets and follow the steps. You can also leave your Gmail and I will share the assets with you. We will need to add a rigid body 2D and a box collider 2D to the bird in order to use physics. After that, we will take the code from ChatGPT to control the bird. We will create a scripts folder to store all the code here. We will use the code written by ChatGPT. You will drag this script onto the bird and run the program. You will click the left mouse button or press the space key to make the bird fly up. You can see that the bird has flown up and the code is working correctly. Next, we will add and adjust the background for the game. In this video, we added a background to the game and controlled the bird. Stay tuned for the next videos to complete the game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.